Hey, I'm heading up to Hanover, Maryland today. We're installing a drainage system for a client. Come along with us. We're going to install 400 feet of 4-inch underground drainage pipe. I believe it's 7 18 by 18 basins. Take care of this gentleman's water problem once and for all. We'll see you on the job site. Felix, so where are we cutting this driveway? Across here? So the water's going to come out this way? Pop up right here? Let it come down? Yeah. Okay. How's the ground conditions here?
It's hard.
Hard? Nice day though.
Yeah, it's nice day.
A little warm though. Line this way coming down?
And I put my last box in the blue flash.
Okay. Existing 2 boxes?
No, I put it.
Oh, okay. I thought you were tying into something else up top. Yep, got it all taped off.
Yeah.
That should work out nice. Another box? Okay. A lot of water come down.
Yeah.
A lot of work, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Think you can get down all the way down there today? See what happens. If not, we'll have to finish in the morning.
Yeah.
You can put a hurting on it today, though.
Yeah.
You might have to return tomorrow, maybe with a crew of 4. Your team.
Okay.
What do you think? Maybe.
Yeah.
You like that asphalt sealer?
Yeah, the Norway told me this for the 550.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it forms up and it's solid too.
Yeah.
Which is nice because a lot of the other asphalt patch just sinks right in.
Yeah. And
it's like the county uses. And a week from now, you come back and it's all out of there. That doesn't.
Yeah.
You mix that and put it in there, it's like a rock.
Yeah, the Norway
It's like concrete in it.
The Norway told me that this
Okay. Sounds good, sir. Yeah, you're going to have a lot done today because you guys are going to all be down there. Yeah, it'd be good if we can get that cut, though.
Yeah.
We can get that cut and patched.
Laying a lot of pipe there, Bob.
A lot of pipe going in. Almost 400 feet. A lot of drainage. And this is a site with so many utilities are here. Even with a trencher, you'd be digging all kind of windows to watch what you're doing, you know?
Right.
All right, we're going to head to another job site. You ready? Where we want to go?
Just got to film with this first.
Okay. All right, people. We're going to head to another job site. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Over here and see what Benito's doing. Benito! What's going on, buddy? Who's up in the tree with? Who's that? Is that Hunky Dakey? That's Hunky Dakey. Hey, Hunky. That's Hunky Dakey. Is that your grandson? He's your grandson? Felix. Benito said this is his grandson up in the tree. You guys doing okay? Yeah. Yep. How are you? Did you have a good Labor Day holiday? No? Bad? Uh-oh. Because of Felix? Oh, someone in the doghouse. Uh-oh. Look, there's Donnie Trump. Donnie Trump. You hot up here, Donnie Trump? Hot. Warm day, but we have 700 homes and businesses to get holiday lights up for this season, so we're getting started. In September this year, customers are calling us and say, hey, we want to get done and get ready, so we will be ready. So we're here today getting that done. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon on another episode of Life of Contractor. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.